Hi guys, so today I'm gonna open an Hija de tu Madre package that I'm finally gonna see what's inside. I just want to take a quick second to say that shout out to Pati Delgado. She's amazing, she's so funny, and I'm not just saying that because I got a few cool things from her shop. I'm saying that because I've been following her and her journey for a while, and it's been amazing to see how much she's grown. She's someone that truly cares about her community and lifting up other girls, especially girls in the Latinx, Latino community. And yeah, stay tuned and see if you like anything from here. Make sure to check out her shop. It's amazing and so cute. Full on tab. Oh my gosh, yes. Her little box with Hija de tu Madre on it. Oh. Hija. So, a girl box. Super cute. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I'll style these. Like, well, my face is, I've been told, is kind of small, or on the smaller side. But I love the size. They're definitely a statement piece. And there's a closer look. I love these. They're gonna go into my hoop collection. And back they go. This is perfect to keep them safe and so you don't lose them if you're like me and misplace everything. There you go. You got a little box. Okay, next up is a stationery item. Oh yes. Hija de tu Madre. It already goes with my outfit and my background. It said Hija de tu Madre. It has a place for your name. It's for you to spill all the tea. And also, if you love journaling, this is so great for journaling. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite out of today's unboxing. I'm so excited. Like, I really am. I'm very excited for this one. I love it. So, this is a crew neck sweater, and at the front it says, of course, Hija de tu Madre. And then on the back, I don't think you're ready for this. So on the back it has Latina, and on the front it has, I love the bleach dye on it. I think it was about time that I hopped on that trend. I think it's so cute. And if you want to see how I style these, please stay tuned. So I got the crew neck sweater, the Hija de tu Madre, Hija, hoops, and their cute little box, and an Hija de tu Madre notebook. I love it. I am such a fan of stickers, so you already know I'm gonna be covering these pages with stickers and a bunch of feelings. If you're a fellow Cancer, then you know what I'm talking about. So I'm so happy with everything. Please check out hijadetmadre.com and check out Hija de tu Madre on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you later.